Hi, I'm David Cantor with the law offices of David Michael Cantor, and welcome to my blog. Today's topic has to do with the Tucson shooting and Arizona's mental commitment laws. Now, in most states, in order to commit somebody, they have to be gravely disabled, danger to self, danger to others. And a lot of times that's somebody on the street who's probably going to starve or die in the sun because they don't know any better, or they're dangerous to other people, or they're suicidal, danger to self. Well, in order to get that done, there's a whole procedure that needs to be followed. But in Arizona, believe it or not, the state is much more liberal. In Arizona, any person can petition the court for a psychiatric evaluation solely because a person appears to be mentally ill and that person who's mentally ill doesn't know it. So I could petition to have my neighbor committed. Now the judge would have to weigh and balance it, but any person can do that. And there's actually a phone line in Arizona that's manned 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's a crisis line. And so with Laughner, the Tucson shooter, all these people have said, this guy was nuts, he looked like a serial killer, he scared all of us in the classroom, I was afraid of him. In fact, there's one girl who even sent a text message to a friend last year saying, this guy looks like he could walk in and start shooting everybody in the classroom. Now, I'll be honest, being a lawyer, I didn't really know about this law until the shooting happened. I always thought you had to have two family members, for example, make the phone call, and you had to go through the long process that most other states go through. I didn't know you could do this through a simple phone call where you could make a call and then have them help you fill out a petition, and then you'd start the ball rolling. I'm hoping that this brings to light that this is available. So from now on, if there are people that are mentally ill and don't know it, who aren't just dangerous to others, but maybe dangerous to themselves, maybe they're not doing so well, and rather than hearing about another homeless person who died out in the elements, it'd be kind of nice that you could walk by and say, you know what, crisis line, this guy looks like he's in trouble, he's over here at the park, come on out, I'll sign the paperwork, let's get a judge to evaluate him. But I think this law is a good idea. I think other states should adopt this law, and I think there should be some money to help promote this law. But that's what I think. Tell me what you think.